So are you able to see my screen?
जी sir.
Okay. So we have tested, what is this? Yesterday we have tested the inclusive and exclusive of tax. Was that clear to you, to all of you?
Yes sir.
Okay. So today we'll try to check whether we'll able to post the entry. So we did it with non-PO. So in non-PO, vendor invoice FB60 and vendor payment is F-53. Okay. So the GST worked on both this, right? Now we'll be going with the, now this part is over. We'll come back to our original place, consultant. And we were somehow here, where it is. Yeah. Okay, so we are in tasting phase. So again, we'll come back to the tasting phase now. Okay, so we can come back to the tasting phase. Again, we'll be back to tasting phase. So whatever GST configuration we have done, remember it's a configuration data. Whatever you do under SPRO, always remember it is the configuration data, right? And what you do at the end user level, you do two things, three things we do here. We create this is the master data we create, and then we do the transaction. Master data and creation of vendor, GL, material ledger, all those things. These are other transaction data. So we are again on the testing phase now. So let us go and let us do /n me21n. Okay, so we are on the creation of purchase order. The creation of purchase order, we select the standard PO. Okay, and then we select the supplier. Who is our supplier? First, you have to give the company code. What is our company code? 9501. So this time we'll take Food Corporation of India. Okay, now in the organization data. What is our purchase organization? This one, 9501.
9501. Yes.
Purchasing group, GEP, right? And company code is also 9501. Okay. Account assignment category, don't forget to take this one. It will be K. And this is item category. Take the standard. Blank. What is our material? What is the raw material type? 9502. What is our raw material type? 9501. Material type. Okay, this is the material type. Short text is wheat. Wheat grain. Pure quantity, let us take 100. Okay, order unit is kg. Divided, I'm not putting. What is the net price of the wheat that we mentioned in your material master? Do you remember? 25. Very good, 20. Currencies INR. Material group. This one. Wheat. Which plant? Try to give as much information as possible. What is the plant?
9502 Mumbai plant.
Let me see whether in the data.
Bangalore. Bangalore, yes. 9502
Bangalore. Storage location. Is it 9502? Yes. Okay. For the time being, this much information is enough. Okay. We'll now, what we'll do, we'll just click here to check for errors. Cost accounts. Okay. Cost center we have to give here. A lot of information has been extracted. Okay. And what is the cost? Company code is 9501. Okay. Delivery address. Bangalore factory. That is why we gave the address KYC. Okay. Okay. Retail, nothing is required. Confirmation. Delivery address. Texts. Okay. PO for purchase of 100 kgs of wheat grains. Wheat grains at the rate rupees 20 per kg. Account assignment absolutely fine. Okay. India conditions. Now here is the condition. What is the condition? Let us go downwards and see. 20, it has taken. Absolutely fine, it has taken it. So now let's see the error. Purchased items still contains faulty account assignments. Where it is? Account assignments. Where it is? Account assignment, where it's the faulty. Cost center. Everything is fine. Now everything is fine. Okay. Enter. Enter. Now post it. Save it. So PO has been created. 45. Just write it down. Someone can write it down. 5 times 0, 621 is the purchase order that we created. Okay. We created the purchase order. Any questions can ask me on this. No questions? Okay. 1 minute, please. Okay. So we have taken the purchase order. So we have created the purchase order. So testing phases, procure to pay process. Insert. Okay. So we have started the procure to pay process. Insert. Okay. So creation of purchase order. Creation of purchase order ME21N. This is the transaction data, and we don't need this at the moment. It's clear to you. ME21N, and here you will have create PO, and send to the vendor, Okay, create PO and send to the vendor. No accounting impact, no debit credit. Okay, no accounting impact. Okay, so creation of purchase order. There's no accounting ME21N, and then March center, creation of purchase order, then to change or edit purchase order. You use the code. This code should be always in mind, ME22N. Okay, then to display PO, means purchase order, ME23N. Yeah. So now purchase order is ready now, and Okay, so and there is no accounting impact. Now if we go to the what it is, if we go here, if you want to see the purchase order, display option is showing, it should show display. No, it is not showing. In case it doesn't show, go to purchase order. Here also it is not showing. Okay, in case if you don't see system environment, okay, you can give /n me23n, enter. Okay, so by default it will show because this is the last purchase order that we created. Okay, and if you click here also, we'll able to your my purchase order. So you can see this is the purchase order that has been created. Okay, if you want to see the print view of the purchase order, no messages found. It is not showing because of printer not addressed. Okay. Clear on this? Now this is how you create the purchase order. Next comes what is called material receipt. Next is material receipt. That is called good receipt or the material receipt. Right? So we will insert 1, insert 2, insert 3. Okay, and here we can write here this one, both here, goods or material receipt. Goods or material receipt. Receipt. Okay. So we are on the next one. Okay. T code is MyGo. T code MIGO. T code is MyGo. Okay. And here you have the accounting impact. Accounting impact you will have here. What accounting impact you will have? Account impact, margin center, margin center. Here it will be stock debit and stock debit and GRIR /IR credit. Have this accounting impact. Okay, now let us create the MyGo. We can, okay, /n MIGO, MyGo. Okay, so MyGo is here. What you have to select here? You have to select the good receipt. Okay, now what is the purchase order number? It was something
45,
like 45
45 0000
00
0621. The least ones.
So the purchase order is there. Okay, and ordering plant 9502, right?
Yes, sir. Bangalore plant.
9502, and you execute. So you can see that good receipt, you find it here. See, this is the general information. Supplier. This is the vendor information. Food Corporation of India. This is the person who has done this. Okay, wheat grain, you're getting it 100 kgs. Cost center, everything is there. You're able to see GL account. Okay, and here you have to come to this point. Material is absolutely fine. Quantity you have to check 100 kgs. 100 kg. Okay, 100 kg. Then where received at Bangalore plant. Okay, purchase order data. This is the purchase order number. Partner, food corporation, account assignment. Everything is perfect. So the item is okay, but you have to give the delivery note. Received 100 kgs, and this one is 101. Good received for purchase order into warehouse stores. Put it 101. After that, you check for errors. So there is no error. So if there is no error, so what you will do? You just post it. So the material document number has been. So you can somebody note it down. 6 times 0281. This is the material document number. Okay, this is the material document number. 6 times 0281. And then here you go. If you want to see display, you can see the display. Suppose you have to want to cancel this, you can cancel it. You can cancel it. Option for cancellation. All options are available here. If you want to make any change, you can make the change. Okay, and here what we'll do, we'll go for display. So this is the display option, and you execute here. So and soon as you display, you will get another tab. Click on this one. This is a document info. Click on this FI document. So you can see controlling document and the accounting document. So if you click here, you'll be able to see the controlling document. Click here, you can see the control document. Double click on this line, it will not really show anything. Here, not here. You can see what you have entered. It will show you. Out of here, here you have to line on this. Click on master record. Let's see what you see. Nothing is there in the master record to display anywhere. It's come out, yes. Now if you go to accounting document, you will see there. Consumption account means, and this one is coming. Clear? Okay. Now the challenge was that we faced in the last class was the Miro. So the invoice verification. Now the invoice will be verified. This is one kind of challan with which you have received it. Now comes the invoice verification. You can leave blank. Invoice verification. And the T code used for invoice verification is Miro. Verification code is Miro. Okay, now what will be the accounting impact here? Let's see the accounting impact, margin center. The accounting impact from Miro. Here you will have in the opposite direction. This will be debited. This will be debited. And vendor account will be credited here. So goods receipt, invoice receipt, debit and credit, it gets nullified. At the end of the day, it's stock account debit to vendor account credit. Okay, this will happen. So let us go. So let us go to Miro now. This is done now. Slash in MIRO. Okay. Miro. Enter. So now you have the Miro in place. And here, what we have to do, we first have to check that we are on the same company code 9501. So what is the invoice date? F4, F2. Okay. And here you have to give the PO number, purchase order. There are a lot of options available. So you give the purchase order. What was the purchase order number? 45. Then this one.
000062. Yes, last one.
To give the purchase order and enter. That's it. It will extract all the information. See, all the information has been extracted. Okay. All the information have been extracted. Okay. Now we'll go and calculate tax. Okay. And it is asking to enter the tax code. So you can see these are these my tax codes? Are these my tax codes? No.
No,
No,
G1
sir. No,
and G2,
no.
right?
These are not my tax codes. You will also face the same problem. Open a new session.
Amount deleted.
Slash n OBBG. Assign calculation procedure to your country. So IN is your country. And see somebody else procedure is here. So 9501 TX. Save it. Come out. Now go to Miro. Okay, this is the screen. Now let's see if the system takes the tax. So let us check here. It is not showing. I have to come out because it's got hanged actually. No. Slash in MIRO, Miro. Enter. Okay. And now to put the invoice date again. F4, F2. Okay. F4, F2. And then you go and click on calculate tax. Okay, and give the purchase order 45 and this one. Enter. Okay, now let's see. Yeah, it has taken the tax now. Okay, enter the tax code also here. Your tax codes. Enter. Has not been set to relevant tax. Why? It has already been set. Okay, so that was the error coming. Let's see what more errors. Message. We'll check the messages. Then the only message is here. It is said is set as not relevant for tax. So what we'll do? We'll go to system, new GUI, and slash NFS00, enter. We'll go to expenses. What is the error you're saying? 1 second. 4001. Correct. So here we have to make the, we have to deal with 4001 slash NFS00. So we have to deal with this one, expenses, raw material consumption account. Edit. This GL is not tax relevant. So here I have to make it as a tax relevant. So tax category, yes, only input tax and posting without tax allowed. Save it. Save it. Now let's come out and check here. Enter. Okay, I think I have to come out from here. It's got hanged actually. Again, come out from here. Don't do post document. No. Again, slash in MIRO, MIRO. Okay. And it's why state F4, F2. Calculate tax. Still we have purchase order number 4512. We got a purchase order number and then we enter. Okay, so now we see tax part is coming here now. Everything is fine. Okay, GL account. We're also showing baseline is also showing. Now what is the fault? Okay, baseline date. From which date you're going to tax, calculate the tax. So F4, F2. Enter. What for the errors? Like message. Enter business place. Balance not zero. Okay. Enter business place. What is the business place? Go to basic data and the place of business. No values found. Place of supply is okay. Place of business is not there. Okay. So that is the only error. And what further errors? This one zero. Just can you just hang on for a moment, please? I'm getting a phone call, urgent. 1 second, please, sir. Sorry, I'll keep you waiting. Anyway, so let us come to the point. So we have to create the business place. So without this business place, we'll not be able to configure the this Miro. So how to do it to the business place? So 1 second, let me, what else errors is coming? Balance, this is okay, this is no problem. We will have to get the business plan. So 1 second please. So this is the error. So let us go to a new screen. Okay, /NSPRO, enter, and then you go to IMG. Then you have to come to cross application component. Then application bandit 3. Yeah, general application functions. Come here. From general application functions, you have to come to this one, where it is business place. Okay, and then you have to define the business place. Company code is 9501, enter. So you have to mention the business place. So new entries. Okay. What is the code for this Bangalore? 9502? Is it 9502?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. This is a new addition. Everything in cross application component is a new addition in HANA. Okay. So Bangalore plant. Bangalore plant of Bangalore plant of GP Worldwide. Okay. This much is enough. When you save it, what is saying? Entry is too long. Okay, you cannot make it too long entry. So you can make it Bangalore plant G. Let's see. Enter. Yeah, it will ask for the this this called QIC. So you can see Bangalore. Bangalore factory or plan, anything. Bangalore. Bangalore is BNG in short we write. Street Bangalore Road. Bangalore Road 11. Postal code is 50001. Bangalore. Bangalore. Country is IN. Okay. And region is for Bangalore. Which state is Bangalore? Karnataka, right? Yes or
Yes.
no? It is in Karnataka. Where is
Yes, sir.
Karnataka? Karnataka. Can you see Karnataka? Yeah, it is Karnataka. Enter. MM customization. Okay. So now our business place is ready. Come out of this. Come out of this. Okay, and then here we are. We come here. Now let's see whether we're able to identify the business place. Yes, business place. Okay, so business place has been identified. So will solve? Invoice document still contain errors. Okay. Yeah. Now we have the only one information, that is how many kgs of wheat we are purchasing? 100 kgs, right? And that is 20 rupees per kg. So it is 2000. And on 2000 we have 18% GST. So it becomes how much? 180, 180, 360, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
If it is 18% GST on 2000, so it is definitely on 1000 rupees, it is 180 rupees and 360. So here you have to enter 2360. Actual amount you have to put here and enter. So now it has become green. What is the message now? Table entry doesn't exist. In entry, right, determined. Okay, let's see whether we can simulate or not. Still contain messages, so it is not allowing to simulate. So you can write here vendor invoice posting. Okay, details. Okay, tax part is also calculated. So what is the problem? The problem may be with this one, business place. Business place and section. This is the place where you having the problem. One minute, please, sir. Okay, so this is absolutely fine. Raw material charging. So message is table and the entry doesn't exist. Okay. So let us check here. Go to screen /n SPRO, enter reference IMG. Again, we will go to cross application component. Cross application component. I think it will not help me. Let's go to financial accounting. Financial accounting global settings. Okay. Then we go to withholding tax. Then we go to withholding tax. Then we go to further. We go to withholding tax. Okay. Extended withholding tax, and then we go to.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any questions?
सर आपको स्क्रीन होल्ड हो गया क्या? मूवमेंट नहीं है सर।
स्क्रीन है नहीं,
सबको ऐसे
नहीं
आपका
दिखा
स्क्रीन
रहा
हो
है?
रहा है?
Are you able to see the
रीड
screen?
एड्रेस का जगह पे होल्ड हो गया सर।
Now it is okay.
नो सर, एक ही स्क्रीन है, मूवमेंट नहीं है।
No movement.
सबको ऐसे है जी सर।
Okay, stop sharing once and then share again once. Share the screen. Enter screen. Share. Now you are able to see the screen.
नहीं सर, मुझे ऐसा आ रहा है, नहीं तो सबको ऐसे आ रहा है सर।
Pronita, are you getting the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Paramjit Kumar, are you getting the screen?
Sir, I'm not getting the screen. I will refresh the screen.
No, no, no,
You
no,
can
no.
proceed.
No. You do one thing. You log off and log in. I'm waiting. No problem.
Yes, sir.
I'm waiting.
Yes, just a minute, sir, please.
Yeah, sure. Okay, let's wait for that gentleman. Let him come and then we'll proceed. Oh. Are you able to join?
Sir, Kumaran is saying on the group that due to internet issue, he won't be able to attend the class.
Who?
So, Kumaran.
Okay. Okay. No problem. So let us complete this section. Okay, to execute here, we have to create a section, right? So remember that in TAN and this CIT will have separate for separate places. Okay, so go to new entries. What happened? My system is also not supporting me today. Got hanged. Oh God. Everywhere the problem is happening. Okay. So are we all together? Hello?
Yes, we can hear you.
Oh, you can hear me. Okay, fine. So that screen got disconnected. So again I have to go /NSPRO, enter. That's IMG, financial accounting, global settings, then where we went, withholding tax, extended withholding tax, basic settings, India, this is section code. Somebody, I have logged the code. How is it? How is it possible? I have logged it. Okay, fine. Okay, no, I'm coming out. Oh, here it is. So our company code is 9501, right? 501. Okay, so what will be the section code? We don't have any section code. So let's check some standards. Yes. Okay, this is the section code. And this is the TAN number. I have to give a fictitious TAN number. That's it. Or you can give a combination of TAN and all those things. So new entry is 9501. Bangalore is B and G. Oh, B, no, B N G Bangalore, and TAN number we can give anything 987654. Okay, and then save it. BNG does not exist. Okay. Okay, so BNG is not allowing you. Yes. So let me come out of this again. No. Okay. So define section codes. So define section code. Let's see, create the section codes. We have to create a section codes like this. Then assign section codes to groups, to company code. Okay. So define section codes, new entries, company code 9501. Okay. BNG. Save. It's not activated section of group functionality. Whole lot of errors are coming. That's it. Yes. Activate section code groups first. Okay. So new entries. The company code is 9501. Okay, and then we activate and save. Okay, now we'll able to do it. First we have to activate it. Okay. Then define the section groups. New entries. Company code is 9501. Okay, and section group entry BNG Bangalore. Save it. Okay, save date. Go back. Go back. Then assign to section codes. Now we will get assigned with company code 9501. So new entries. So what is the section code? BNG, right?
Yes.
Section group, I've kept it same. Easy to remember. BNG, and then Enter. What is saying? BNG doesn't exist. Why? Yes. Not required. No. Cancel. Section code. Yes. Yes. Those are saying of let's make a project here. 959501. Execute. No. No. Cancel it. Come out of it. Okay, we'll do it tomorrow because it's already past 10. So the section codes, even two of the persons are absent today now. They are not available. So we'll continue from tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Any questions you have?
I have a question.
Please
Like
ask.
this was asked in interview, like the PO which are sent to the vendor, right? So how we will get to know, like if the PO has been received to the vendor? How we can know?
You can send the PO by mail. Okay. And if your SAP, if you are using SAP and they are also using SAP, then if there is any interface, you can send it to that interface, or you have to send it through mail. Okay.
Yeah. Huh.
Two options, either by mail, or if they also using SAP, you can send it, but normally it is by mail. Okay.
But mail option, but they have like previously they used to use earlier, but now the system is like they have shifted to middleware only, like CIG and all.
So in that case, you take a soft, you download the PO and you send it by a normal email, corporate email you have. That is why that way you send it. I have seen in companies, no, they are using SAP, and the vendor is not using SAP. What to do in that case?
Yeah.
You send a soft copy to their registered email ID. It might be anything XYZ at the rate and right. Maybe you're sending XYZ company, so they will have their own. You send it in that mail. Okay, and you can also take a printout. You can also send a hard copy. You send a soft copy, and then you send the signed copy also. So you have to send the hard copy because they will countersign and send it to you. They have accepted the PO or not, right?
Okay.
Clear?
Okay. Yeah.
Paramjit, you do have any question, please? Paramjit Kumar. Okay, what happened? Paramjit, are able to hear me?